Guys, welcome to Pepperina's World. I've been meaning to do this unboxing forever. I purchased this as soon as the pandemic started tripping. They had a sale, so of course, you know, I had to get myself something. UpNorth Naturals, experience a better way to a great curly hair day. Let's see what's inside. A card for me. It says thank you. Ooh. I love it. So I have the pump, the replenish conditioner, the freshen up hair mist, the clean curls cleanser. This is the hair milk. It says the label was messed up, so they sent me a little sample size. Also, a little nozzle for the hair oil, which is this one. The 8 oil blend for dry hair, because curly girls have dry hair. Styling lotion. What else do we have over here? Oh, the butter. I love this stuff. What else? The jelly. And last but not least, the smoothing gel for your edges, which it looks so much bigger on camera, but yeah, it's small, but it's worth it. Good stuff. Let's see. Also, with this bundle, I believe this is a bag. Let me open it. It is a little bag. I should be able to fit my little hair products in here, but technically I can use this as a little purse on the go when I'm just running in and out of the store. This is cute. And this is good for when it rains since it's plastic. But yep, there's all the products I got. I'm dyeing my hair currently, so whenever I'm done, I'll show you what my hair looks like with these products in my hair. This is a great line. Like I said, it's from Canada. You can purchase this at Target, but as far as I know, it's still at a select few stores. I wasn't able to find any in my hometown of Texas, but I know other people have said they found it. You can also purchase it online from Target.com. So either way it goes, you can order it straight from the company or from Target. And yeah, you can see my hair after this. Okay, so all the hair products fit in this bag. They're tipping over a little bit, but that's pretty good. And it's sturdy enough to hold all of these. I started thinking this would be awesome whenever we go out of town. I can throw all my hair products in this bag, because most of the time we travel by car, because I know these wouldn't be eligible for the airport. But, well, as far as I know, I haven't flown in years. So, yeah. And I'm pretty sure the only ones that would be eligible is, like, the little mini ones that are, like, travel size that you can take in your bag. So, luckily, she does have the minis, but I never ordered the minis because I'm always at home. So, yeah. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like with UpNorth Naturals. Look at those beautiful curls. Yeah, I put makeup on specifically for this video because other than that, I haven't been wearing makeup or really caring about my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.